These AI roller coaster videos are going absolutely viral on social media right now, and I strongly think this is going to be the next viral AI trend. Now watch what I had created with AI in just 2 minutes. Here is full method how you can create these for free. First, all you need is this master prompt. You will find its link in description. Copy this whole master prompt and head over to ChatGPT. Here, paste the prompt in the prompt box and hit enter. Then GPT will instantly generate multiple roller coaster video ideas for us. You can choose any you want. For this tutorial, I am going with third one, so I will type 3. Then GPT will generate a detailed master prompt based on our selection within a few seconds. Now copy this master prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Here, switch to video mode. Select your desired aspect ratio and select Omni Flash as your video model. Set the video duration to 10 seconds. Once everything ready, paste the prompt in the prompt box. Now, click Generate. Wait a few seconds while Google Flow creates your roller coaster video. And here it is. Your video is ready. You can create endless variations using this with the master prompt I had provided. If this video helped you, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming viral niches.